Imagine this. The sun slowly rises over the African savanna. Golden grass sways gently in the warm morning wind. Everything seems calm, almost peaceful. And then, a thunderous roar shatters the silence. It's not just a sound. It's a warning, a declaration, a message that can travel up to 5 miles across the open land. That roar belongs to the undisputed king of the savanna, the lion. The lion, scientifically known as Panthera leo, is one of the most powerful and iconic animals on Earth. Unlike other big cats, lions are social. They live together in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of several lionesses, their cubs, and one or more dominant males. This social structure makes lions unique among big cats. They cooperate, they strategize, they protect their territory together. In the wild, survival is not just about strength. It's about unity. Long ago, lions roamed across Africa, parts of Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Today, most lions live in sub-Saharan Africa. A small population of Asiatic lions survives in India, inside the Gir forest. But their territory is shrinking. Human expansion, habitat loss, and conflict have reduced lion populations dramatically over the past century. The king's kingdom is getting smaller. One of the most recognizable features of a male lion is his mane. The mane is not just for appearance. It signals strength and dominance. Darker, thicker manes often indicate a stronger and more experienced male. It also provides protection during fights, shielding the neck from bites and claws. Because life for a male lion is full of challenges. Young males are usually forced to leave their pride at around 2 to 3 years old. They must survive alone or form coalitions with brothers. Their goal? Find a pride and take control. While the male lion represents power, the lionesses are the true hunters. They work as a team. They communicate silently. They surround their prey with patience and precision. Zebras, wildebeest, buffalo. A hunt may last only seconds, but the preparation can take hours. And not every hunt is successful. Failure means hunger. Hunger means weakness. In the wild, energy is everything. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless. For the first few weeks, they depend entirely on their mother. Life is fragile. Many cubs do not survive their first year. When a new male takes over a pride, he may kill cubs that are not his own. It may seem cruel, but in nature, survival and reproduction drive behavior. Cubs spend much of their time playing. But play is training. Through wrestling and chasing, they learn the skills they will need to survive. Every game is preparation for the real world. A lion's roar is more than intimidation. It is communication. It serves to warn rival males, gather pride members, defend territory. At night, the savanna echoes with roaring. It is a reminder that the land is claimed. Few sounds in nature are as powerful. Being a dominant male is never permanent. At any moment, challengers may arrive. Fights are brutal and dangerous. Claws slash, teeth sink deep. Only one remains in control. These battles shape the pride's future. In nature, only the strongest pass on their genes. Leadership is earned and constantly defended. Despite their fierce reputation, lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting. Why? Because hunting requires explosive energy. Every sprint must count. Lions conserve strength for the moments that matter most. Patience is part of their power. Throughout history, lions have symbolized courage, royalty, and dominance. They appear in flags, coats of arms, myths, and movies. They represent strength across cultures. Yet in reality, lions are vulnerable. In the last 100 years, lion populations have declined significantly. Conservation efforts are now critical to their survival. Protecting lions means protecting entire ecosystems. When the king falls, balance collapses. Clapperboard, powerful conclusion. When you hear a lion roar, you're not just hearing an animal. You're hearing millions of years of evolution. You're hearing nature's raw authority. You're hearing survival itself. The lion is not king because he is the fastest. He is not king because he is the largest. He is king because he represents power, strategy, resilience, and courage. In the silence of the savanna, his roar carries a timeless truth. Nature respects strength, but it rewards intelligence. And the lion embodies both,